In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic groups based on user selection in Tableau. To get started, you'll want to launch the Tableau desktop application. Once you have Tableau open, navigate your way to the worksheet you're planning to work with. You'll need to create 3 separate visual sheets for organizing your data effectively. Let's begin by setting up a parameter that will allow us to categorize the data dynamically. Go ahead and click the drop-down menu and select Create a Parameter. Name this parameter Sales Threshold and initialize it with a current value of 9,300. After that, hit OK, and don't forget to click the option to show parameter control so you can easily adjust it later. Next, proceed to the Analysis menu and select Create Calculated Field. Give this field a name such as Customer or Other and input your query. This calculation will help us group customers based on our defined criteria. Once that's done, click Apply, then OK to confirm your changes. Now drag this calculated field into the Rows shelf. Following this, take Sales and move it into columns, arranging the data in descending order to capture high to low sales trends. Direct your attention now to the Sales Threshold legend and type in 12,000 to adjust the current value. This tweak enhances your analysis by refining the selection criteria. Let's switch things up a bit by opening a brand new sheet and naming it Source. Here, drag the customer name field into Rows and Sales into columns. For enhanced insights, also drag Sales under the text option in the Marks area. With these foundational elements in place, open another new sheet, which we'll call Target. Select Customer Name, and from the Context menu, choose Create, and then select Set. You'll want to name this set Selected Customers. Curate your list by selecting at least 3 customers and confirm by clicking OK. Move the set into Rows. Right-click on the In group, select Edit Alias, and change the label to Selected Customers. Similarly, right-click on Out, edit its alias, and rename it to Other Customers. Once these changes are made, drag Sales into columns and again, place it under text in Marks to display the sales values. For the final part of our journey today, launch a new dashboard and drag your source and target sheets onto the canvas. Navigate to Dashboard and choose Actions. Add an action and opt for Change Set Values. Remember to uncheck Target, and in the Target set, select Selected Customers. Finally, ensure you tick Remove All Values from Set before clicking OK. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to creating dynamic groups in Tableau that's both powerful and easy to follow. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps sharpen your data analytics skills.